I'm Nirali Bhavar from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and I have done my bachelor's degree in forensic science, and currently I'm pursuing a PG diploma program in sales and relationship banking from Manipal Academy of BFSI, because it's a very stable job. It's a respected and very stable career, and it's a if I see in long term, the industry is very industry is growing very rapidly. So that's why I chose to banking. Before coming to Manipal, I have a very less knowledge about banking, and after coming to Manipal, it's like I have learned what are the basic what are the branch how the branch operates internally. I have learned how to be disciplined and well groomed, and how to talk to customers, how to engage with customers, and how to interact with them, how to understand their needs, and to sell products based on the customer's needs. So it really helped me a lot. The faculty is very supportive, and they are very they helped us, and they teach us in a very friendly manner. Before coming here, I have a stage fear and I was not very confident. So the faculty helped me by they'll take extempore also. So in that we learn how to be confident and how to present ourselves in front of everybody. Branch, we have learned how to engage with customers, how to guide them to the right desk, and how to interact with them, how to cross-sell, and how to know about the customer by doing their profiling and everything. So banking is a customer-centric job. We have to provide services, and we have to act professional so that the customer will trust us. If model branch activity will not be there, will not be able to gain the professional knowledge about how to interact with customer, and how to be confident while talking with the customer. So that's how it helped. Yes, I would recommend this program to others, especially if you are from a non-banking background. So it really helped you a lot. After coming here, I know how to how the branch works, and I know about the product knowledge. If I'll directly go to the branch, I'll not be able to process it, right? So that's why it helped me a lot. So I'll definitely going to refer it.